Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Sensationail TV. In this video I'm doing a demonstration of the Sensationail Deluxe nail kit. Please excuse my fingers. I recently taken acrylics off of them but decided I'm going to do this video anyway, so let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting the base coat, which is also a top coat, on the nails, which I bought separate from the kit. The instructions says to do your thumbnails first. Now as you can see, the UV light, it stays on for 15 seconds. It stays on and flashes after 15 seconds, and then it will give you a total cure time of 30 seconds, and then the light will completely switch off automatically. And the light is very warm. I actually felt like, should I be doing this? But I persevered anyway. Okay, so and then I let my fingers cure for 30 seconds as per the instructions, and then went on to do the colour nail polish. I do apologise for the angle. This is the first time that I'm filming myself doing my nails, so next time I shall be a semi-pro. Overall, I found this kit very easy to use. I would highly recommend that you buff your nails and prepare them properly before you go ahead and painting them. And I did 2 layers of polish on each hand, so that I can get as true a colour as possible. And these are the final results. Tell me what you think. I think they came out nice. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.